part 2, question number 23, and we are told the first term of an arithmetic progression AP is 2. The sum of the first 8 terms of the AP is 156. So Roman number 1, find the common difference of the AP, you get 2 marks. So the common difference, we have been given the first term is A and the first 8 terms. So we know the formula Sn, the first n terms is n over 2 into bracket. We have 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d, and we close the bracket. So if we are given the first 8 terms is 156, so we will say S8 is 156 is equals to n is 8 divided by 2. We put the bracket 2. Our first term is 2. Then we add our n is 8, so n minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, so here we have 7d, and we close the bracket. So when you multiply here, you find that this you divide here, you get this is 4. So we divide 156 by 4. So 156 you divide by 4 is equals to, now this will be 4 plus 7d. So 156 divided by 4, you get this is 3, 12, 39. We minus 4 is equals to 7d. So you divide this, when you minus 4, this will be 35. So 35 is equals to 7d. Divide both sides by 7, you get d is equals to 5. So that is a common difference of the arithmetic progression. Part B of the question, we are told, given that the sum of the n terms is 416, find n. So we just use, we say 416 is equals to n divided by 2. You put the bracket, you say it is 2, the first term is 2, so we multiply by 2 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1, and our common difference is 5. So that is what we use. So when you work out that, you multiply 416 by 2, you get that is 832 is equals to, now here we have n, you close the bracket, so we have 4 plus, you open the bracket, you get 5n minus 5. So you work it out, you open the bracket here, you should be able to get the quadratic equation. You rearrange it, you get 5n squared minus n, then minus 832 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You can use a quadratic formula and to work out that, and you'll be able to get n is equals to 13 or minus 12.8. And because our common difference is 2, so it means that it is progressing positively, so we say our n is 13. So that is how you work out that. Part B of the question, we are told the third term, the fifth term, and the 8th terms of another AP forms the first 3 terms of a geometric progression. If the common difference of the AP is 3, find the first term of the geometric progression. You get 4 marks. So if we are to, so we can write the first 3 terms. The term of the AP is a plus 2d the fifth term is a plus 2, that is 2, that is 4d, and the eighth term is a plus 7d. This forms the first 3 terms of the GP. So for us to find the common ratio, we divide a plus, now because our d is 3, our common difference is 3, 7d will be 21. You divide by this other one, 4 times 3 is 3, so it will be a plus 12 is equals to, the other one will be a plus 12. All this is divided by a plus, when you multiply that, you get 60. So you cross multiply this, you'll be able to get, this is a plus 21. You multiply by a plus 6 is equals to a plus 12, and you multiply by a plus 12. So this will give you, when you open the bracket, it will give you a squared, then plus, this will give you 27a plus 126 is equals to a squared, then we have plus 24a, then we have plus 144. That 144. So we can eliminate a squared for both sides. Then from there, we take 24a to this side and 126 to this side. You subtract, you'll be able to get 3a is equals to 18, implying that a is equals to, you divide both sides by 6, you get 6. This implies that since this is the first term of the GP, which is a plus 6, then the first term is 6 plus 6, which will give you 12. So the first term of the GP is equals to 12. From there we go to part B. Part B says the sum of the first 9 terms of the GP to 4 significant figures. So we know the formula for finding the sum of the first n terms is equals to a into bracket r n minus 1, and this is divided by r minus 1. That is when r is greater than 1. We don't know r, but because now we have the first term, the GP, we have the first term is 12. The other one you get, it is equals to 6 plus 12, that will give you 18. The other one is 6 plus 21, that will give you 27. So we can get our r, you can either divide 18 divide by 12, and that should give you 1.5. So our r is greater than 1.5, it is greater than 1. So from there, we'll say S9 is equals to, then our first term is 12, then we say our r is 1.5 to power 9, which is our n, minus 1. All this is divided by, you divide by 1.5 minus 1. And using your calculator, you should be able to get 898.6, and the other decimals. So we have, because we have been told to write to 4 significant figures, we ignore the other decimals, so that is to 4 significant figures. So that is how you work out that question. I think the most important thing is to understand the series, how to get the sum of the AP and the GP. These formulas are very important for you to master, so that you can be able to manipulate questions given in AP and GP. So thank you for watching.